Hi Steve, I'll try and make this as quick as I can because if the file gets too big it won't send. So here we go. This is the online system that I set up for the kids. First we've got 2012, that's the diary. So basically here I can put in anything that I want the kids to do of an evening, any reminders that they need reminding about. So over here we have this week, we've been looking at 400 metre runner Oscar Pistorius. You can pause this at any time and read. Okay, so that's the diary. If I go back to the learning gym, the next one is the links. So on here I have, at the bottom I have a series of websites that I can direct the kids to that can help them with their writing, help them source any information that they need. There's a couple of maths programs on there. Put anything I want on there, but also I have weeks here. So if we take week 2 for example, this is where I put my own reflections of the days of the week. So we have all the days from Monday to Friday. I can put a video on there that comes up, and basically it's my reflection. So I think with the child reading my reflection helps them with their own reflections. Okay, if we go back to the gym, the blog. This is one of the most important areas of the online system, is where the kids can actually reflect on their own learning. Sometimes blogging about anything they want to blog about, but other times having me set them a blogging task. So this has been really effective, and the kids have been doing a lot of writing on here, and they enjoy it. So let's see, Harrow ICT. Okay, so these are all the different blogs that have come in. If we take a student down the side here, we have a look at Dava. You'll get an idea of the kind of things they're blogging about, the kind of detail that they've been putting in. So she wrote about the Thai school that come and visited our school, and we did some activities with them. She created her own person of the week, which was interesting. She had reflecting days, so she talked about sometimes her weekends. There's person of the week again, about parties that she went to. There's quite a few pages in here. The Olympic studies, that's a really good reflection of pretty much half the term that we spent on the Olympic topic. Person of the week again, she's learned how to put photos in there. The amazing Oscar Pistorius, an Olympian amputee that we studied. So a lot of work going into this. I'll quickly go on back to the learning gym again. This area here with the tree is their chance for, it's a discussion board. So if we look at the different topics that we've put on under the learning gym, so we've talked about an educated opinion, we put connectives in there, chocolate on Fridays. If you have a look at the connective board, so we'll see that I've put a whole lot of connectives there, and any time I can say, okay, now I want you to get onto the discussion board and I want you to write using cause and effective connectives. So the kids write their sentences. I can set homework for them to correct each other's sentences, write as many sentences as they like there. That's been really effective. If we go back one more, you can look at this one here is probably a bit more detailed. Spelling 3 connectives. So I can put spelling words on there and all sorts of things. So cause and effect connectives that they've used here. You can see all the. It's really interesting to see that they start off in simple detail and they get more and more detailed, more and more correct. I can make comments. I can jump in there and make a comment. It's quite a good record of their sentences building up in detail and length. Okay, so also on this, we can put a topic, such as, let's have a look. What does it take to be an Olympian? What does it take to be an Olympic athlete? I can put videos. They can discuss videos. That's not the one I want to go and see. Alright, let's have a look. Training kids to be champions. Alright, this was we had a video in here. This was the discussion about how hard they train Chinese kids to become Olympians. So put an article in there they can read, put videos, etc., etc. Anyway, I hope this gives you a real quick and brief look at what I set up for the kids. The second last icon is where I've set up rubrics, and they can go online and they can actually check their assessment. So that's just a program. Actually, I won't go into that now. And the last one is my blog. Not so much that the kids will read it, but just to show them that I keep a blog for my own learning as well. Okay, that's it. I hope this works. Just stop it.